Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i, an Aventurine Red Metallic 3 with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i, and this is Aventurine Red III Metallic. I got the headlights on, we got the kidney grille lit up. I've got the key with me. So why don't we do a lap all the way around the car. We're in the new car showroom right now. So let's do this lap. And once we've had a chance to get all the way around, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So this is Aventurine Red III Metallic. We just brought this car into the showroom recently, and of course, someone came in, saw it, fell in love. The car is sold. But definitely wanted to give you guys a chance to look at it before it gets delivered. You can see the nice body lines coming lengthwise down the hood. Kind of curves in here. And we've got the rondelle up front and center. We have the one-piece matte black kidney grille. So when I hit unlock, lights up, so X6 illuminates all the way around the kidney. X5 and X7 have a cascading light that shines only at the top. And with the headlights on, the double chevron look looks really nice. And of course we got M Sport Pro here, so the front bumper looks really nice with the sporty air ducts down here, all functional, active grille shutters at the bottom. Functional air going into the wheel wells. Front end looks awesome. Let's have a closer look at the headlights. So these are the BMW LED shadow line headlights. So we've got the black housing on the inside there. And let's get the headlights illuminating again so you can see all those little lines and patterns all on the inside there. And I love how they have some lines and such on the inside here for the light to reflect off the bottom. Cornering lights in there as well, so that is sweet. So now that we've had a chance to look at the front end and the headlights, if we come around to the side here, so we do have the body colored over fender. And if we take a closer look, these are the 22-inch double spoke 742M wheels in jet black with the massive red M Sport brake back there. That looks awesome. I love this wheel. We have this cutout thing on the fender here. It's not actually open, but it looks cool. And it starts a body line that goes down in through the doors. We have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and camera. And up top, black roof rails, panoramic sunroof, new style antenna. And if I back up for a second for a side profile, this is the car that started the sports activity coupe segment. We also have a little bit of a gray rocker panel down here, painted. And we've got the Hofmeister kink here. There's your rear 742M wheel, and it's a little dark, so you can actually get a good look at that welcome light carpet. Looks sweet. So rear wheel, red brake caliper, love that. Got a little bit of a deck lid spoiler up top, black spoiler on the actual tailgate. And if we walk to the back here, you'll see the inverted L-shaped tail lights. And just look at those broad shoulders, how muscular this vehicle looks. So a little closer look at these tail lights. And we do have the horizontal reflectors, a little bit camouflaged in the red paint, but they're on either side. BMW rondelle here. And we have the freeform exhaust at the bottom here. This one does have the tow hitch, so no kicking to open the tailgate. So that is sweet. So since I'm back here, you can press the tailgate button. There's also a switch here you can press with your hand. So once that opens up, you can see we've got the X6 cargo cover. So that can fold away, so you can easily access your contents. The whole thing can come out. If you didn't have the optional spare tire, there's a cutout area for it to be stored here. So that's the optional spare. Jack and tools, tow hook, wheel lock keys in the box. We've also got some illumination with a 12-volt plug. That's access to fuse panel on this side. Grocery bag hanger here, and this side there's a little area where we can store things. If this car did not, if this car had run flat tires, then as it does, then you don't get a tire inflator kit. But if it had regular tires, you'd see a tire inflator kit inside of there. And when we're done with this, we can put this back so we can hide our contents. Up top, button to close, another one to close and lock. So remember, we don't have kick because we've got the tow hitch. So let's press the close button. So we can get that to close the hands-free way. Looks great. Passenger side, we do have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise one click to open the cap. There's a spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise one click and you just shut the door. If I take a look into the back seating area, we do have the manual sunshades. Nice stitching across the door panel. We have the carbon fiber interior trim with some ambient light here. There's your door pull, window switch, and some pockets down here for water bottles and such. We have the aluminum illuminating M door sill. Let me just undo all these seat belts. So the shoulder has a little stirrup to tie up your seat belt. There's a release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center with some cup holders and some storage space. And once the center pass through, or armrest is down, you can find the string here for the center pass through. So you pull that down. And up top, we do have some reading lights up here. And we also have on the back of each front seat an accessory port. There's also a USB Type-C charging port in the accessory port area, so in case you got the tablet holder. We have a pocket, we have some ambient light, we have some rear climate controls, heated seats for the 2 outer positions. We also have some storage space here. There's also a 12-volt plug. These are the optional winter mats, some illumination down here, and more vents for your rear passenger's feet. So now that we've looked at the back seating area, let's shut this door and we'll go to the front door next. So once I open this door, you'll see inside we've got Harman Kardon sound system, passenger side massage chair, memory seats, door pull, unlock, lock, window switch. Again, door panel's got lots of nice stitching on it. Carbon fiber, big deep pockets down here. Full aluminum M illuminating door sill. Full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. So we do have power under the thigh, power shoulder only recline, power headrest height up and down. The only manual thing on these seats is folding the actual headrest to the shape of your head. And down here, winter mats. We've got some drift knee pad things on the side here, which is nice. Illuminated glove box, new vent design, carbon fiber going across the dash with the curved display with iDrive 8.5, interaction light bar, stitching across the dash here as well. And down here, we've got some volume controls and such. Open that up. So there's a wireless charger in there, USB Type A, 12-volt plug, heated and cooled cup holders. That's always a plus. And over here, we have your air suspension. So I do have it on the lowest height right now just for the looks, but you can lower it for ease of getting in and out and putting things in and out of the vehicle. If I press this, you'll see that there's a USB Type-C charging port with a little light in there so you can see. So now that we've had a chance to look at this side, let's shut the door and we'll go to the driver's side next. Alright, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open this door. So inside you'll see that we have Harman Kardon sound system. This is open or close the tailgate. You can only close when the key's inside. We've got massage chair. We've got the gentleman's button, so these seat controls will control the passenger side seat. Memory, unlock, lock, door pull, window switches, side mirror controls, big deep pockets on the door as well. And again, same type of seat controls we saw on the other side. Seats look awesome, they feel awesome as well. We've got the M Sport steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, head up display, paddles on each side, and This one seems to have pretty well every option. So if I get into some of these settings here, so if we go to driving settings, it's got all the safety stuff. We've got all the parking stuff, including recording your own parking path. And if you use the My BMW app, you can also operate the vehicle with the app without you inside the vehicle. And we got all the cruise control, so assisted driving plus, no hands on the steering wheel. So that is awesome as well. And of course, because this has the trailer hitch, there's also a trailer mode. And because it has the trailer hitch, there's also a trailer coupling view. Very handy for anybody who's tried to attach a trailer to the vehicle, amongst the other views like the 3D view. And we've also got the enter the car wash view, so that is sweet. Up here we got the buttons for the garage door, and we do have the Sky Lounge sunroof up here, so ambient light color does appear in the sunroof as well. These little specks here are just to reflect the color, but it's actually edge lit. And up top, SOS. Visor has the mirror with the light turning on. Microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth. So that is all sweet. Let's get out of here. So down here, here's your M Sport pedals. Storage compartment here. Here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo, 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. 4 strut braces in a diamond pattern. We have positive battery terminal over here, negative battery terminal. This metal post here, it is labeled. Washer fluid goes over there. What a beast. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. Don't put fingerprints on the paint, and send her down. Beauty. So, how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just want to do one more lap all the way around, and I'll try to get some of the longer range angles. It's a bit tight in the showroom, but the car does look amazing, and especially this paint. It looks really nice, especially on a vehicle the size of the X6. Tail lights look awesome. Welcome light carpet looks really cool too. So how do you like this spec? Let me know. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful X6 xDrive40i and Aventurine Red III Metallic with the black interior. M Sport Pro, advanced driver assist. This car is fully loaded. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.